You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: convertible hardtop, electronic stability control, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, power driver seat, driver vanity mirror. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.